In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix 403 forbidden error on Firefox. If you're seeing a 403 forbidden error while trying to access a website in Firefox, don't worry. This issue can sometimes be caused by stored website data, browser settings, or even certain extensions. In this guide, I'll walk you through a few simple troubleshooting methods that may help resolve the problem and get you back to browsing normally. To begin, open Firefox and select the three-line menu located in the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu, choose Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, look at the left-hand side and select Privacy and Security. This section contains several options related to website permissions, cookies, and stored data. Scroll down until you find the option that allows you to clear data for specific sites. If you have a large number of saved websites, use the search feature to locate the site that's giving you the 403 forbidden error. After finding the affected website, select it and choose the option to remove the selected site data. This process resets the website's stored information in Firefox, which can often fix access-related issues caused by outdated or corrupted data. After selecting the site, save your changes. Firefox will ask you to confirm that you want to remove the stored data for that website. Confirm the action and allow the browser to complete the process. Once that's done, close the website, reopen it, and check whether the 403 forbidden error is still appearing. If the problem continues, another thing you can try is opening the website in a private window. To do this, click the three-line menu again and select New Private Window. A private window temporarily disables certain stored browsing data and can help determine whether the issue is related to your regular browser session. Visit the website in the private window and see if it loads correctly. If you're still having trouble, it's a good idea to check your browser extensions. Select the Extensions icon and open Manage Extensions. Extensions can sometimes interfere with website functionality, especially content filtering tools. If you have an ad blocker enabled, try turning it off temporarily and test the website again. You should also review any extensions you no longer use. Open the Extension Options menu and remove unnecessary extensions that may be causing conflicts within the browser. After making these changes, revisit the website and see if the issue has been resolved. One of these methods is often enough to fix a 403 forbidden error in Firefox. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,